It's June 28th, and just about to take my daily walk. I'm in the West Chicago area, and I don't know if you can make it out, but we're under a dangerous air quality alert. It's the worst air in the world right now, which is frightening. So I'm gonna make this kind of quick. They seem to have, I think they're Coreopsis called Nana. Love these. They bloom early. They're still going. I deheaded them, the spent blooms, and it's given me a nice second bloom. I just think they're fabulous. They really give a nice color, like that orange color early. Oh, there's our Lulu. I think she's doing her business. My hydrangeas coming along nicely, and I see I'm getting 3 more little flower clusters, which is great. Next time I'll make note of what variety it is. It's escaping me at the moment. This is a turtle head I got at a native plant sale at our local fire is in my mind right now with all the smoke. Local forest preserve. So that's kind of a new one this year. Seem to really be suffering with powdery mildew. I've never had it on the salvia, and I'm just noticing it now. It's been pretty dry. Oh, looks like I need to do some watering here. Yeah, all right, I'll do that after this video. And I got some new daylily buds. Really a fabulous color. Some more yarrow. You can really see how I cut back all those cut stems. But I'm getting another bloom, which is great. And the butterfly bush, it's looking cool. I think it looks really cool. Or butterfly weed, I'm sorry. I mean, the buds are really interesting, even before it flowers. Oh, we're getting real close to this. Is going to be a pretty one this year. It took about 3 years, and really suffered from the bunnies. This year, it really took off. I mean, it's a nice sizable plant. Butterfly bush is starting to bloom. Got my pepper seedlings. They've kind of grown in the last couple of days. They're still teeny, but we're hoping. Still holding out hope. I think it's going to be time to have some Swiss chard. It's pretty big, as you can see. Cucumbers are going. I'm going to have to thin that out. I'm just a little anxious to do so because sometimes I get visitors to my garden who eat things. So I might wait another week. I've got this weed coming up. It's actually milkweed, but it was getting out of control. So I opted to get rid of it. It wasn't a very good variety of milkweed, and it kind of showed up on its own. So I replaced it with 2 of those butterfly weeds, thinking be a better option for the space, which I don't have a lot of. The yarrow, I think it's a coral color variety. I think it might be called coral. It's really a pretty yarrow. They look great now, but they flop and it drives me crazy. There's the little tea rose that's still kind of struggling. Not too much happening here yet. This is vanilla strawberry. Vanilla strawberry hydrangea. You can see my phone battery is getting a little low, so I'm gonna have to probably wrap this up pretty quick. Here's my little doggers. Hi guys. This is my little herb garden, which kind of mixed of flowers, and this is a broccoli I overbought for the garden, ran out of room. I don't think it's the best place for it, but and then I just got an extra little dill there, and another one of my seedlings of what you call it, that stuff over there, alyssum. I just plopped it in there, and I've got some little basil seedlings. This one's really going. Love those with the tomatoes. Some cilantro. This is my giant rosemary that I started in my indoor garden. I'll have to show you guys that at some point. It's a struggling plant from one of my hanging baskets that I tried to salvage. Just an indoor wandering Jew plant. It's a pretty fun plant to have. Anyway, that's kind of what's shaking. Hope you have a great day. Let's hope these wildfires settle down. It's really bad in Chicago right now. Makes my throat even kind of scratchy. Anyway, have a great day.